Hello there beautiful people, welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes, I'm working for you, so if you have any questions and video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment, I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back, and please bear witness for that because I made over 250 videos so far on Shopify customization that were mostly requested by you guys. Now I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that, I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate man, if you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below, I will be happy to provide you information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now we'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make your Shopify store very unique and professional without having to rely on those expensive teams or paying those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money, and it's not a very good idea for long-term projects. But I'll give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, and I'll let you be the judge, and I respect your decision. But for now, let me fulfill another video request again, which is on Horizon Theme, because this is now we will start with the series for customizing Horizon Theme. And I always do the things that's not available on the theme editor, things that you cannot do on the theme customizer. I do write the code and I do provide the code for you, which is in this video. I will show you how to resize the header icons on your Shopify Horizon Theme. And yes, this option is not available on the theme editor, and the icons actually look pretty small. So if you want to resize it, there is no way to do that unless you have a custom code for it. And that's exactly what I'm about to share with you in this video, and completely free. And not just this one, there is a lot of videos coming on Horizon Theme. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is Shopify Down theme, by the way. I always start with completely new theme, nothing on it. In each video I add small customizations, but the video like 70 or 60, the theme will be completely different. But now I think I reached that level halfway. For example, you see this all-in-one reviews carousel that will show reviews from multiple sources, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one place, and it's filtered by tab. Or even better, check out this recent sales notification on your Shopify store by using your own custom code, and it's highly customizable. Or actually, let me show you something that will make you more money. You see, this is the mouse cursor, right? I will try to leave or act just like I want to close the page. Then this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind the user how many products he added to the cart and he didn't check out. And a button, of course, so you can check out and pay you the money he owes you. And this is by using your own custom code, and it's by triggering the exit intent trigger, which is when the user trying to leave or close the page, then it will show him this pop-up. And many more things I cannot even mention in one video. You see, many more things, I did them all in tutorials, and all of them available in the code for them, I mean available in the description. But now actually let me close this one, because this one is done, all customized. We will start out with Horizon Theme. So let me close this and show you what I'm talking about. This is Horizon Theme, and you will see the icons on the header look pretty small, and you cannot, as you can see, they look pretty small, they are barely visible, and you cannot resize them or adjust the size for them. In this video, I will share a code with you that will actually resize either each icon separately with a different size in case you want to make the icon for the cart larger than the others, or the cart for the account or search, and another code that will resize the whole, all icons evenly. So you can pick and choose. If you want to resize all of them evenly, like the same size for all of them, use the first code I'm going to share. If you want to resize each one separate so you can set different sizes for them, the second code will do the job. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So we will keep this page open, and we will get back to Shopify dashboard, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So the first thing you're going to do is head back to Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click on themes, then click on the three dots to left of customize, and click on edit code. Because as I said, this is our own custom code, we're not using any applications in here. And the next thing you're going to do is we need to find a specific file in here. Instead of looking at the files and folders, simply use the search bar at the top left corner, then type in base, and you will see this file right here, base.css. Simply click on it, then a lot of CSS code will show up, no worries. After that, scroll a little bit down, actually not down, way down. So let me drag this because it's a huge file. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. And in here, we need to create some space to paste in our code. But in case there is no space, it was like this. Simply click front of the last line, in my case is closing bracket, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a new space to paste in our code. Where are you gonna get that code? You need to hire a developer, pay him. I'm just joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link to my website, completely free again. Simply click on it and it will take you to this website right here. As I said, completely free. Then scroll down a little bit and you will see two codes. As I said, the first code, which is this one, will resize all the icons separately. Excuse me, evenly, not separately. So the first code will resize all of them by the same size. Let's just copy this one and get back in here and paste it in the space that we did create. We did set them as 42. I did add some comments as well so you can understand. As you can see, adjust the size evenly here for both of them, because you have to adjust the width and the height so it will look proper visibility. So click on the save button, we'll wait for a couple of seconds, then get back in here, reload the page and see what that will do. And check it out now. They are much larger, as you can see. I think it's too large now. I need to resize them a little bit down. And this second code in here, as I said, will resize each one separately again. I apologize. So I added again some comments so you can understand. This one is for the hamburger icon, the one that shows on the on the mobile. You can resize it as well using this code. And this one is for the search icon. You can resize it using this icon. And this one for the account icon, and this one for the cart icon. Let's just try them out and see that in action. Same, let me remove the previous code because now I want to resize each icon separate. I'm gonna keep the same sizes as default I did. And now let's just reload the page and see that. And here it is, check it out now. As you can see, the icon for the search is way larger than the other ones. So you can adjust each one and its size that suits your design. And that's how you resize the header icons on Horizon Theme on your Shopify. And there is a lot of videos coming on the way, so no worries, make sure to subscribe. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.